Good morning. Are you ready for preschool?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, we gotta do your hair. We gotta brush your hair. You don't want to brush your hair? Okay, we at least have to wet it. Come here. Come here. This our breakfast?
No, it's Jaxson.
Jaxson? Jaxson!
Yeah.
Your milk, dude. Nope. You gotta drink your milk. Where's her jacket?
I bet her. It's probably in the car.
I need her jacket. It's not in there. It's probably in her room.
No. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jaxson. Happy birthday to you. How old are you?
8.
8. Oh my gosh, guys. I can't.
Mommy!
I can't. Hey. Hey. You ready for school?
Yeah.
My heart can't handle this at all. I really can't handle this. I'm trying to hold it together, people. Girl, you ready to leave me?
Yeah.
Yeah? Why are you so excited?
Yeah.
Okay, my heart is ready, okay?
Hey, Mommy.
I love you. You're gonna do big things in life, girl. Madison, I am beautiful. I am powerful. I am loved. I love you, Madison. Good morning, folks. I can't. Nobody better not talk to me today. Nobody better not talk to me today at all. Like, this is the first time I'm gonna be alone in 13 years. And my heart is like pounding so fast. She's excited to go, but I'm not. I'm coming. I'm gonna go take photos and get her little butt in the car and get off to school. I'm gonna see if I can record a little footage. If not, then I'm sorry, guys. This is so emotional for me. I don't know why.
I'm gonna feed you. I'm gonna get feed you. Let's go, Jack. Let's go, Jack. Let's go, Jack. Come on. I saw you yesterday. Yeah. It's open. I love you. It's open. The door's swing open by itself.
When you come to drop off, don't park where you park because the bus has to swing.
Take your
So
coat
you
off,
can
sweetie.
just like
Just take your
swing
coat off.
around or park in the
Love your
grass
beds.
briefly. Or if you just want to stop where the bus is,
you.
the bus,
Perfect.
Okay, that's wrong.
so
Hi.
we're gonna greet our friends.
Whoa.
So I'm Andrea. I'm Nick's mom. Okay, I sat around for 1 hour straight, got my thoughts together, edit some edit some photos, send them to all the folks that are really important and near and dear to my heart. So, posted some status and stuff just for memory keeping, you know. All right, not to do the things I do that I've never done without a toddler. I'm gonna start crying again. But the good thing is she started preschool with her best friend, which is one of our neighbor that we're close with. Well, the only neighbor that we're close with, to be exact. Like, the one neighbor that's cool with us. And the funny thing is, this nasty BP tried to take her away from me. Like, you know, try to, you know, tell her really nasty stuff about us. And then she was like, no, that's not who they are. So after the whole thing was done and everything was done and said, we are now friends. So she started preschool with her friend, her best friend. And that's like her best friend. Like, she talks about him all day long. They're the same age. Well, she's a few months older than him. But they're in the same class, which kind of, you know, gives me a little bit of relief that she has someone there that she loves with all her heart, and they'll be all right. So I need to do some dishes, vacuum, make my bed, do some laundry. So let's do that. So it's 10:41. I'm getting ready to start on the meatball for Jaxson. I'm just defrosting this because I forgot to take it out of the fridge last night, and I need to get started on these meatballs. So, okay, so I'm gonna fry up the meatballs and then put them in my my crock pot and let that cook down, so that when Jaxson get home from school, it's all done, and I can have this on the fire and start cooking before I go pick up Madison at 1:45. So I have a lot to do, and I'm also recording a clean with me. Okay guys, so I have this little bit left. I have that much thawed out, so I'm gonna let this keep going a little bit longer, and then add it to this, and then start making meatballs.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
It's 1:30. I'm going to pick up Madison. I'm thirsty though. I need water. How was your day? How was your day? Good? Where's your stuff? Go get your stuff. Go get your stuff. Get your jacket. Put your jacket.
Potty wise.
Come on, guys. How was school? How was it? I missed you so much. I miss you so much. Yes. You couldn't wait to come home to your little goodie bag. Did you eat all your lunch?
Yeah.
Yes? Oh, that's a treat.
Yeah.
You. I miss you so much. Oh, guys, I'm struggling. I want to see. Oh, that's an empty wrapper. It's an empty wrapper.
Yeah.
It's empty. Let's see. Did you eat your lunch?
Yeah.
You're such a girl.
Mommy.
What? I'm trying to get this stuff. Let me see what you eat.
Yeah.
All right.
Mommy.
Oh, you didn't get your juice? Oh.
Maya, eat for that.
Okay, well, we're gonna do that as a snack, okay? All right. You want that as a snack? Okay. You can have that as a snack. Did you go potty at school?
No.
Did you poo-poo?
No.
Did you pee-pee?
No.
Do you have to go potty now?
Yeah.
Yes?
No.
Okay. Okay, so I have to stir this around, but I'm gonna do that once his mom gets here. The meatballs are done. They are so moist. His bread. And we're waiting for cake and his gift from his grandparents. And he got a balloon from his school.
I still want to do it.
And then we got 2 kids. So you paid all that money for a free balloon?
They better after all that money I pay every month.
A free balloon, Rob. You want a free balloon. Oh, Rob have on his Adidas today. And he has on a new shirt. What is this one saying? Crushing it. It's not Christmas, Rob. It's not Christmas. And he's vacuuming my floor.
Look, I told you 3 times. Put down to that chair.
Rob loves the vacuum.
Move the damn bags from over there.
Rob, do you love the
All I
vacuum?
do is move the bags. Go get rid of them or I'm trashing them if I see them again.
Rob, you loving the vacuum?
Yeah, that's alright.
This is how you get a man to clean. Buy a cordless power vacuum. He just walks around and push it. Push it, Rob. Push it faster. Push it faster. What's the candy?
Candy. 2 for each.
Okay, Grandma got your candy. You gotta wait, okay? So she got a cookie and then his cake down here. I'm gonna stick this in the refrigerator.
Sí, la está arreglando.
Put this in the refrigerator for me.
Cortándole, parece la mamá. Así baja.
Thank you. Grandma bought you candy, but after dinner, okay? After dinner, we'll get candy, okay? You can open your present after dinner, okay?
After dinner, okay?
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
They're 1 years old. I'll start the fire.
Jason starts coughing.
You're 1 year old.
You're 1 year old. You're 1 year old.
Ready?
You ready?
Is that,
Sit
like,
down.
is that cheesecake?
You're 80 years old?
Jaxson, 80 years old? No?
No, you don't change. Say the teacher. No, I don't need change. I want to learn Spanish.
Okay, you ready? Yeah, turn.
Okay.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jaxson. Happy birthday to you.
What do y'all think it is?
Somebody take a guess on what Jack got for his birthday.
Let me see. Yeah.
What did your grandparents get?
This is like a video
Sit on the
game.
floor.
Video
Sit on
game.
the floor. Right here.
It's like a
So
video
grandma can
game.
sit
Jordan.
down.
Move from
Video
there
game.
so I can sit there.
Oh, let me sit over here.
¿Quiere venir acá?
Video game. Yeah, that's a video game.
It's a video game?
I think it's a video game. I don't know what this is, but it's a box. Box.
Juju,
Don't open it.
Alright, go for it.
Open that one first. I
did
think
they
it's
guess
a
what
video
it
game.
is? Did y'all guess what it
Did
is?
y'all guess what it is?
Video game.
That's a video
En
game.
inglés, Nikita, a ver.
Open that one first.
Open the big one first.
And I think this is the box. Box.
What kind of box?
What?
I don't know. It's a toy.
Box style box.
Wait, Jordan, what do you think it is?
A box.
Huh?
Toy. It's some toy.
What do you think, Destiny?
Legos.
A toy. Box
A
of
toy?
toys.
What do you think? Lego? Maddie, what do you think? Okay, all right. What do you think it is, Jaxson? A toy? Okay, go.
Get down. Go there.
What do you think it is?
He said a
toy.
toy.
Maddie.
Green. It's not Nintendo. It's not like the one that Jaxson and Jordan have.
You got the lit.
The lit.
Did you get the switch?
Jason, you have no sense. He said the lit.
The lid.
It's the Nintendo Lite. The lit. What the heck is a lit?
No one
Okay,
in public school.
that's
The
like
lit.
a video game for this. It's a video game for this. What did you? A video game for this.
Video game.
It's a video game.
Wait,
Video
if
game
it's-
for that.
He said guess.
It's a lit. She tried to take it. Okay, open it.
Yeah, it's waiting.
It's a game. It's Minecraft.
Yeah, she's tired.
Wow.
What is it?
No.
I got Mario.
He got 1.14.
Dang it. What
What happened, Jordan?
He got Minecraft.
It does either
I
the
forgot.
new version or the old version.
New.
1.14.
You can update it.
That's the new updated one?
No, I got Mario Kart.
Let me see what you got.
Kart.
Oh, that's the brand
Let me
new
see what you
Mario.
got.
Deluxe.
It's the brand new Mario Kart.
Mario Kart and my car.
What do you say?
Thank
Who you
you.
telling thank you to?
Grandma.
On Grandpa.
In this.
Is that the new update?
Mommy.
Enjoy, baby.
He got the best.
Say.
You got the lid.
Jason said he got the lit.
Jackson.
The lit. It's not lit, it's light.
I said he got the lit.
Jackson.
Don't have it more like
He got the best Minecraft.
They don't.
Okay, so this is the end of Jackson's birthday vlog. I hope you guys enjoy. His grandparents and auntie is getting ready to leave. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is a clean with me video. So I will see you guys then. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.